Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders. Going to do a quick video going over the top plays for tomorrow, last day of the trading week, September 9th. We got SPRO. I really like this one. This is probably going to be the main one that I focus on, unless it shows me otherwise. I'm looking for a multi-day bounce. We got a decent hold here from yesterday's lows. Very low volume. Selling pressure is pretty low. Um, we'll see if there's more downside to come, as it is the first red day, but nice solid push out of this the other day. Just looking for the simple multi-day bounce after it dips. Usually I notice about 50%, 40%, somewhere in that range, maybe 30. Just off of the highs decently. Shorts are in control. That's why we look for the at least one red day. And then from there, looking for the momentum shift when they start locking in profits, when it fails to keep heading lower and dip buyers start coming in. We get a nice push. So SPRO qualifies for that. And we're going to keep it on watch for a multi-day bounce. Next up, we got APRN. This was a strong push today with some decent volume and breaking out over 7.5. We got next resistance level around 9, low 9s here. So heading into tomorrow, we'll be looking if it fails to break down and keeps holding the mid 7s and comes back for the 8, 790-ish high day break from today and confirms that area to test the 9 area. This is one where it is a top watch, but also going to probably watch the other 3 a little more, as this one is a New York Stock Exchange stock, and it does have the history of moving like a little penny stock, but I like to just stick to what I know and just typically trading NASDAQ plays. So this will be on watch if it does something enticing to play, but besides that, I don't see another play on it. We'll play it probably conservatively, as it's not a perfect play in my eyes, but we'll see what happens with it. Then we got Ruby. This one is a nice little breakout over 124 today. Another day, multi-day breakout. Over red candle, insane volume. Was a decent mover here. Topped out in the 140s, showing a quadruple top, a volume fading. So I do hesitate to say a continuation on this, but if it does fail to break down and confirm the 150s, the high a day from today, which it does have a breakout lined up with that from a couple months ago, if it confirms the mid ones, it could turn to something nice and test the next resistance level in the 190s 2-ish. So I don't like this topping action, but at the same time, this does show that's a very key level. So if it does breach it and it confirms it, and we see an increase in demand, failure to break down, and higher lows, just all these bullish indicators, that could really turn ugly for shorts who are up in this probably, as we do see some decent selling up in the 140s, 30s area. So we'll see how this turns out as well. Then we got MGAM waiting on this multi-day bounce. Weak volume so far, but showing some signs of holding the mid 2s here. We went over this yesterday. It's been on the top watch for the past few days. But yeah, so showing some signs of bottoming. We'll see if it can get the momentum to really bounce back. It is a lower float, low market cap play. Gave a decent push, so now looking for it to offer that bounce, and we'll see if the mid 2s hold. So some waiting games, just waiting to see what happens. We'll see also in the morning what plays gap up, and I'll tweet about those if anything is interesting. So follow us on Twitter at Pack a Punch Traders. Besides that, we'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.